Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I want to give a huge shout out to my new favorite shoes. You guys, these are so comfortable. They are really like being barefoot, but better. They pull on like socks. They kind of feel like socks, but again, with a really nice cushion. So if you're doing things that, are like impact on the bottom of your feet, it's going to be more comfortable than being barefoot, but they're going to be so lightweight that you hardly notice that you're wearing shoes. So I really love to wear these, just around the house, around like when I'm walking my dog around the neighborhood. It's like wearing like slippers or house shoes, like that level of comfort, but you can wear them outside. I also really like to wear them in any sort of like dance cardio class. Like if you're doing Zumba, if you're doing, your TikTok dances, you're doing things like that. These are a really great shoe for that because again, it's going to protect the bottom of your feet and your arch from that impact of jumping and sliding and moving all around, but it's not going to weigh you down. It keeps you really agile and keeps you really comfortable. There's tons of colors to choose from. They're really cute. You're going to get a lot of fun compliments. Everyone loves them. And again, they're so comfortable. But if you guys are wondering about sizing, I'm normally an 8 and I try to get a wide if possible. These fit totally perfectly, so I don't think that they have wide sizes that you can choose, but they run like they have a very like square boxy kind of shape to the toe area. So if your foot's a little wider, these are definitely going to be a great choice for you because they're going to be really comfortable. You don't have to worry about getting specifically the wide. It fits great. They fit exactly true to size and I'm really happy with them. So if you guys are thinking about it, go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be glad you did.